Hello everyone, class 10th. Here is a question paper on which if you have got any problem, so there is a question paper explanation on which you have to better understand about the question paper. What is the exact question given? So here in this question, in the portion of chemistry, the question given as multiple choice question. And in it, there is given an where of the following is not a physical change, but the right question will be which of the following is not a physical change. आप लोगों को समझना होगा कि इसमें क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट फिजिकल चेंज. इनमें से फिजिकल चेंज कौन सा नहीं है. फर्स्ट वन इज बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर टू गिव इन वाटर वेपर्स. सेकेंड वन इज मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस to give water. Option number 3, dissolution liquefied petroleum gas. It is totally wrong. It is not the dissolution, it is the liquefied petroleum gas. And question number 1, option number 4 is dissolution of salt in water. So this one is about to the question number 1. Next question is which among the following is double displacement reaction. So इनमें से डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन कौन सा है. पहला है Pb लेड प्लस कॉपर क्लोराइड. तो इसका ऑप्शन क्या होगा, PbCl2 प्लस Cu. कॉपर अलग हो जाएगा और लेड क्लोराइड बन जाएगा. यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है, इसको सही कर लेंगे. क्वेश्चन 2 है सोडियम सल्फेट प्लस बेरियम क्लोराइड. तो बेरियम क्लोराइड प्लस सोडियम क्लोराइड, बेरियम सल्फेट और सोडियम क्लोराइड बन जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है कैल्शियम कार्बन प्लस ऑक्सीजन मिल करके क्या बनाएंगे, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. फोर्थ वाला ऑप्शन है मेथेन CH4 प्लस 2O2. सो हेयर इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस 2H2O. सो इन विच यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच वन इज द करेक्ट. A option number 1 and 4, B only, C first and second, D third and fourth. Here is B given only, but there is no question indicated, so you have to write answer number second, only second. Question number 3 is given electrolysis of water is a decomposition section of the following. Decompositions, not a section, decomposition reaction in which the following hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during the electrolysis of water. So किस रेशियो में होते हैं ये, 1:1, 1:2, 12:2, 4:1. Question number 4, which of the following gas can be, which of the following gas can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for long time. Carbon dioxide or oxygen, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide or helium or nitrogen. Question number 5, which of the following processes involve chemical reactions. So you have to find out which one is the chemical reaction. Storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder, liquefaction of air, keeping petrol in the china dish in an open. Option number 4 is heating copper wire in the presence of air at a high temperature. Which one is the chemical reaction? Question number 6 is given which of the following are combination reaction. Potassium chloride plus oxygen, magnesium plus hydrogen, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum plus oxygen, aluminum oxide, zinc plus sulfate, ferrous sulfate, zinc sulfate plus ferrous. Which one is correct? Either 1 and 3, 3rd and 4, 2nd and 4 or 2nd and 3rd. इनमें से कौन सा सही होगा आपको चूज करना है. Chemically rust is what? Chemically rust is ferric sulfate, ferric oxide, hydrated ferrous sulfate, hydrated ferric oxide. So you have to write down the correct answer. Chemically rust is what? Question number 8 is the main concave of rancidity. Main concave. This is wrong. Question number 8 is given as the main causes of rancidity is what? Main causes. Main causes of rancidity is what? Oxidation of fatty acids molecules, antioxidants, bacteria, none of these. Question number 9, identify the chemical equation which represent complete balanced equations for the reaction of barium chloride with the sodium sulfate to produce barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Suppose here is a two chemical substances given, barium sulfate and sodium chloride, or barium chloride and sodium sulfate. So what will be the exact equation you should measure or you should conclude? Barium chloride plus sodium sulfate, so it will form barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Barium chloride BaCl2 plus Na2SO4, 2BaSO4 plus 2NaCl, 2Ba. So here is barium chloride BaCl2 plus Na2SO4, BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. So which one is the correct option? You have to find out कि इसमें से करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा है. जैसे बेरियम क्लोराइड सोडियम सल्फेट किस पर्टिकुलर केमिकल रिएक्शंस में होने चाहिए, उनका एग्जैक्ट फॉर्म क्या है, तो आप चूज कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन, नॉट सेक्शन, रिएक्शन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन रिप्रेजेंट द कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. सो इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग find out which one is the combination reaction. The question exactly given as which of the following represent the chemical combination reaction. Calcium oxide plus H2O, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate when break into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Zinc plus copper sulfate, so it will be the zinc sulfate plus copper. It is totally given wrong. Fe2O3, that is totally wrong. It will be जिंक सल्फेट प्लस कॉपर, यानी ZnSO4 प्लस Cu. तो आप इस पे ध्यान से देखिएगा, जिंक सल्फेट लिखेंगे और कॉपर अलग हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन. और वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है व्हाट इज द केमिकल इक्वेशन. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर अबाउट विच व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द केमिकल रिएक्शन, सॉरी नॉट रिएक्शन, केमिकल इक्वेशन. What do you mean by chemical equation? Question number 2, what is the redox reaction? Question number 2 is given as what is the redox reaction. Question number 3, name the chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. You have to find out, you have to name about the reaction that can be chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. Question number 4, name the gas which burns with a pop sound. You know very well which gas can produce a pop sound. So you have to write the name of the gas that can produce pop sound. Question number 5, name the type of reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new single product. So what will be the, name the type of a reaction. Which type of a reaction can be two or more substances combined, in which two or more substances combine to form a new single product, to form a new single product. Question number 6, write one disadvantages of metals. The disadvantages of corrosion of metals. Write one disadvantage of corrosion of metals. Question number 7, name the type of a reaction taking other iron dipped in copper sulfate solution. Name the type of a reaction taking iron dipped into the copper sulfate solution. What happened when? Simply you suppose what happened when the iron dipped into the copper sulfate solution. Name the group of a chemical substances used to present oxidation. Name the group of a chemical substances that is used to represent oxidation that can not present, that can be known as the, which can shows the oxidation, you can say. Name the group of a chemical that can show the oxidation. Question number 9. Which one is the chemical change? Rusting of iron or melting of iron? Not lusting, it is rusting. Rusting of iron. Name the substance that has been oxidized in the reaction. This is incorrect question. You have to simply write down about that what is oxidation reaction. What do you mean by the oxidation reaction? Question number 11. How can a balanced chemical equation be made? Information. Explain with example. That means what will be the criteria to write about that any chemical equation that can be shows their properties, that is chemical properties. How can be a chemical equation be made informative? That can be explained with example. So how the chemical reaction be informative? You have to write about what will be we have to use to make informative the question chemical equation.